Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Brick from the Rowdyruff Boys. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large oval. Next, let's add the hat. Inside the head, towards the top, let's draw a curve across. Then in the top section, at the bottom here, let's draw another curve. And then a curve on top. Next, let's hop up to the top of the head and let's draw a small curve in the middle. Now for the brim of the hat, let's draw a curved line up on the left side. And then curve it around and back in. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move in and let's draw the eyes. Inside in the center, let's draw two diagonal lines. And then angle them up. Now underneath, let's step in and let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. Now let's hop in and let's draw the details of the eyes. Let's start with a curve at the top. And then a larger one around it. And now let's color both of these in black. And lastly, let's add one more curve in the bottom section. And that's it for the eyes. Now for the mouth, let's draw a curve down and over on the left side. Now that we're done the head, let's hop down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two angled lines down and out. And then a line across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two stripes across in the center here. And then color this section in black. Now in the bottom section, let's draw another line across and color the bottom in black. Next, let's draw the arms on the sides. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. And then another one on the outside in the same way. And then close off the ends with a curve. Then let's hop inside each arm and let's draw a curve across. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's draw angles down and out from the outsides. And then two angles on the inside. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. Next, hop inside and draw a line across near the bottom. And then another one higher up. Now let's color the top section in black. Next, in that middle section, let's draw an angled line. And then a line across in the outside section. And then color the inside sections in black. And that's it for the body. Now let's move behind and let's draw the hair. Let's start under the head next to the arm and let's draw an angled line out on both sides. And then bring it in from the bottom. Now on both sides, let's draw 2 more points to close off the hair. And that's it for Brick. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!